there's something brand new. It's the newest interactive experience at the Bronx Zoo. It's called Budgie Landing, where you can immerse yourself in 1,000 colorful, free-flying birds. Grab your popsicle stick for a chance to feed some budgies. Did you know budgie is short for budgerigar, which is what other countries call parakeets? But I guess Budgie Landing just sounded cuter. Open seasonally from March to October, Budgie Landing is a $5 add-on per person. Little kids may need help to hold their stick steady and be patient. We had lots of fun feeding the budgies. Will you be adding Budgie Landing to your summer bucket list?